Hello everyone. Before starting exercise 3.3, let us understand what is this substitution method. Here, the substitution method is the algebraic method to solve simultaneous linear equations. As the word says, in this method, the value of one variable from one equation is substituted in the other equation. In this way, a pair of linear equation gets transformed into one linear equation with only one variable, which can then easily be solved. Let us see the exercise. See here, exercise 3.3, question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. Here they have given us two equations. So first I will choose the easier one. Okay, here both are easy, but still the most easier one I will see. So this first equation is not that easy, so I'll call it as equation 1. Now look at the second equation here. This second equation I can write down x, which is equal to y plus 4, and I will name it as equation 2. So whatever the easier equation is there, you write down x equal to or y equal to. And then what I will write down? Substitute this value of x in equation 1. The meaning is what? Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So here I'll write down substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So here in place of x I will write down y plus 4 plus this y as it is equal to 14. So here 2y, which is equal to 14 minus 4 here. So which comes here 2y, which is equal to 10, y which is equal to 10 by 2, y which is equal to 5. Now I got the value of y here. I'll substitute this y. Here I'll write down substitute y equal to 5 in equation 2. In equation 1 also you can substitute, but see the easier one. Equation 1 is what? X which is equal to y plus 5. So it is, y plus 4. So 5 plus 4, which comes as 9. I got the value of x, I got the value of y. Therefore, finally I'll write down solution is 9, 5. First, always you will write down the value of x and then the value of y. In this way, by substitution method, we get the solution. Correct? Come to the second one here. Now you only see which is the easier one. The first one is more easier. So what I will do here, I will write s which is equal to t plus 3 is our first equation. And this one is the second equation. Now I will substitute the value of first equation in second equation. So here I will write down substitute equation 1 in equation 2, right? So here in place of s I am writing t plus 3 by 3. See, in place of s plus this t as it is by 2, which is equal to 6. Now we'll do LCM. See here, 2 into t plus 3 plus 3 into t divided by 6, which is equal to 6. Now I'll multiply it. 2 times t plus 6 plus 3 times t. This 6 will go here, right, to multiply. So it will become 36. So 2 times t and 3 times t. It became 5 times t, which is equal to 36 minus 6, which comes as 30, and 5 will come down to divide. So the value of t, we get it as 5 ones are and 5 sixes are. Therefore t, which is equal to 6. We got the value of t. Now we need to get s. So what I will do here, substitute t equal to 6 in equation 1. What is our equation 1? Equation 1 was s which is equal to t plus 3. T plus 3. This is our equation 1. So here I'll substitute 6 plus 3, which comes as 9. Therefore, finally, the solution is 9, 6. Correct? We got the solution for the second question also. Now we'll move towards the third question. See here. Now here this is more easier. So this minus y I will send here and this 3 I will send here. So what will happen, just see. If I write y which is equal to 3x minus 3. Correct now? Y equal to, this is my equation 1 and this is the second equation. So we'll write down substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So now here 9 in place, 9x is there. So 9x as it is minus 3 value of y. Value of y I'll substitute here. 3x minus 3 which is equal to 9. So 9x minus 9x plus 9 equal to 9. Minus 9x and plus 9x got cancelled. So 9 is equal to 9. You just see here. No variable is left. No variable left. It means that these two lines are coincident lines. Just check the ratio. Here 3 by 9. So ratio is 1 by 3. Here minus 1 by minus 3. Ratio is 1 by 3. And this is this 3 and 9. The ratio is 1 by 3. All the three ratios are equal. That means lines are coincident. It means that these two lines have infinitely many solutions. So we cannot get only one solution just like that. Correct? So we have to leave this question here itself. Here we just need to write down lines are coincident. Here we can mention lines are coincident. Therefore, infinitely many solutions. Therefore, infinitely many solutions. Correct? Come to the next one now. Here, looking at this decimal places, don't get scared. What we'll do, we'll multiply both the equations on both the sides by 10. So what happens here? I get 2x plus 3y which is equal to 13, and here 4x plus 5y which is equal to 23. Now observe which is the easier one. First one is more easier. So what I will do here, I will write down 2x which is equal to 13 minus 3y and x which is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. This I will call it as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now this value of x I'll substitute in equation 2. So I'll write down here substitute equation 1 in equation 2. See here 4 and value of x is what? 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y which is equal to 23, and then we'll solve it. Here these 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now 2 and in the bracket 13 minus 3y. So 13 2s are 26 minus 3 into 2 is 6y plus 5y as it is which is equal to 23. See, minus 6y and plus 5y. Answer is minus y which is equal to 23. This 26 will go this side and here minus 26. So minus y which is equal to minus 3. From both the sides negative sign just cancel. So I got value of y as 3. Now what I will do? Substitute y in equation 1. Now what is that equation 1 here? X which is equal to, what I will write down? 13 minus 3y by 2. Here I will substitute the value of y. So here 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2 which comes as 13 minus 9 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 2. I got x equal to 2 and finally the solution is 2, 3. In this way we get the solution by substitution method. Right? Come to the next sum now. See here. Here under root numbers are there. Still don't get scared. We'll write down this equation as root 2x which is equal to minus root 3y and x which is equal to minus root 3y divided by root 2. Correct? I will name this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. Okay. Now same thing here. Substitute x, or you can say equation 1 in equation 2. So here root 3, value of x is what? Minus root 3 by root 2y. Here minus root 8y, which is equal to 0. Now you see here, this root 3 and this root 3 I will multiply. It will become root 9. Root 9 is nothing but what? Only 3. So directly I'll write down minus 3y by root 2 minus root 8y divided by 1, which is equal to 0. I can do the LCM now. See? Now LCM means what? Here minus 3y minus root 2 and root 8 is root 16. Correct, na? Root 16 means what? 4y divided by root 2, which is equal to 0. Correct, na? How to get the LCM? Have you understood what I did? Very simply. I multiplied this one and this one first. So I got this one. Then I multiplied this one and this one. So I got this one. And finally I multiplied both the denominators, which I got this one. So in this way I did the LCM. Okay. Okay. Now this root 2 which is dividing here, it will go to multiply to the right hand side. And this one is minus 3y and minus 4y. Answer is minus 7y, which is equal to 0. Because 0 into root 2 is 0. Y, which is equal to 0 by minus 7. Our answer comes as 0. I got the value of y. Now I'll substitute y in equation 1. So here substitute y equal to 0 in equation 1. Okay. Now what is our equation 1 here? Equation 1 is x, which is equal to minus root 3y by root 2. So here in place of y I will substitute 0. Root 3 by root 2 into 0. 0 by anything will become 0. I got the value of x as 0. Therefore finally solution is 0 comma 0. Correct? Come to the sixth question now here. Look at this one. See the easier one now here. Once again. Achha, before seeing that easier one, what we'll do? We'll write down this equation in a proper standard format. So that I will do the LCM of the first equation. So it comes as 9x minus 10y divided by 6, which is equal to minus 2. So the equation is 9x minus 10y, which is equal to minus 12. Okay. Now come to the second equation here. Here 2x plus 3y divided by 6, which is equal to 13 by 6. From both the sides we can remove this 6. So it is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 13. Okay. So we can call this equation as equation 1, and this equation I will solve it further, because out of these two equations I am finding second equation is more easier. Okay. So here I will write down 2x, which is equal to 13 minus 3y, and x, which is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Correct? So I will name it as equation 2. Now what we need to do? This equation 2, that means value of x, will substitute in equation 1. Right? So no confusion should be there. So I'll write down substitute equation 2 in equation 1. See here. 9, value of x is what? 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y, which is equal to minus 12. Now here 13 9s are 117 minus 9 3s are 27y divided by 2. Here minus 10y as it is divided by minus 1, and here minus 12. Now once again we need to do the LCM here. So here 117 minus 27y minus 20y divided by 2 here, which is equal to minus 12. See here, minus 27y, this one, and minus 20y. It is nothing but minus 47y. This 2 will go that side to multiply, so it will become what? Minus 24. And this 117 which is plus here, it will go that side, it will become negative, minus 117. Now see, minus 47y which is equal to minus, this one is, if I add this one, 141. Now here y which is equal to minus 141 divided by minus 47. Negative signs cancel. 47 ones are 47 3s are. So I got the value of y which is equal to 3. Therefore y which is equal to 3. Now what I'll do? Substitute y equal to 3 in equation 2. Okay. Now let us see what is that equation 2. X which is equal to, here let me see the equation 2 here, or I can write down here itself. See equation 2 here itself, I'll show you. I got the value of y as 3, right? So here I'll show you x which is equal to 13 minus 3, and this is 3 divided by 2. So here 13 minus 9 by 2, so it comes as 4 by 2. 4 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, I got 2, x equal to 2. So finally what you write down? Therefore the solution which is equal to 2, 3. In this way, by substitution method, we have solved 6 sub questions which comes under question number 1. Right? I hope all of you understood these questions. Thank you.